Ladies and gentlemen, it is time to organize. You're like, Chris, what is that box? Ladies and gentlemen, this is my power tool organizer. I have my entire power tools for my full remodel, which I'm in right now. And I'll be honest with you, there's times where I'm like, where in the world did I put that drill? Where in the world did I put that brad nailer? Well, ladies and gentlemen, while I'm getting this out, in the description box, top link below this video is going to be this power tool organizer. So we got some little directions right here. It says each set can load up to 60 pounds. I don't believe my power tools weigh that much. You do have some nice screws and drywall anchors if you want. And it looks like we have some little nuts as well. So we'll get into that. All right, it's all bundled up right now, but we're gonna go ahead and install this. Now, I am in a full remodel, so I might just install this in one of my remodeling rooms. It won't be the permanent location, but obviously we're gonna get the idea. Once again, top link in the description box below. If you wanna read more about this, check it out. Let's go ahead and install it and stack it with my power tools. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let me just briefly state this is not the permanent location. I am in a full remodel. As you see here, I got bare studs, I got insulation poking out. We're working on the kitchen right now, so I do want to state that. And the reason I'm also stating that is because definitely secure it appropriately. I'm doing it in a way where I can work from room to room and be able to organize my tools. So I actually have only one screw and a stud because of 16 on center. I'm not able to latch two in because of the spacing. And obviously when this is in a permanent location, I will be doing it side by side. But this is gonna give you an example. So I got tools, I got all sorts of stuff on the ground. Let's go ahead and hang them up, get them off the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, I like what I see. Now, obviously I could load this up much more, but due just to the temporary mounting, I won't take advantage of the full 60 pounds per rack. But I definitely have probably 20 pounds each on each rack right now. So let me show you a little organization here. Number one, it gets it off the ground. Cobwebs, dust, my dog hair getting all over my batteries and my brad nailer. So hammers, you can either kind of hook it on the side, kind of hook it right on the front. You know, you can do whatever you want. The saw is a little bit bulky, so I just put that on top. Screws. Smaller items up here, like house wrap tape, vapor barrier tape, measuring tapes, laser level on top, charger on top. We got the brushless brad nailer, which is huge. That takes a little bit getting in there, but remember that these do spread apart just a little bit if you need a little extra oomph going in there. But something like this, just with the battery like this right here, super easy to jam in there. Big beefy 4 milliamp battery right there. We got my mini chainsaw over here on this side. We got my sawzall, hammer, drill, brad nailer, jigsaw, measuring tape, regular saw, and screws that we've already seen. Again, I won't fully take advantage of the 60 per, but you definitely, if you have all your screws mounted in there, you're looking absolutely fantastic. Now, most of you won't be able to get all 3 screws into studs, but definitely get at least one per rack. And then what I would actually do is maybe upgrade your hardware to butterfly toggle clamps, they call them. They don't really call them butterfly ones, but I call them butterfly ones. So overall, I like what I see, and it's definitely nicer than making your own wooden one. And lastly, I highly recommend. There's been so many times during this full remodel, I'm like, where in the world is that tool? Where in the world are those screws? Where in the world did my tape go, my laser level? And when you're organized, projects go a lot better, a little less frustration. Anyway, it passes my test. I like what I see. Once again, in the description box right below the video, top link will be this exact same garage organizer, shop organizer, tool rack. You can get it in a one set. You can get it in both, push them together, separate them like I have. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as this beautiful remodel coming together. Just finished up the mud room right here. Those videos are up on the channel. Once again, top link in the description box below will be your rack. We'll see you on the next one. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.